And for dinner tonight, Sicilian pizza, fresh mozzarella, pecorino romano, some shredded mozzarella, not oregano, but basil. Usually I put the fresh one, but I didn't have any, and black pepper.
Donna had cancer.
Now we put the mozzarella. The bottom is perfect. I wanted it a little higher, but that's okay. Now, back in the oven. And now, we wait. Where is it? Okay. Now, a little on the broil. Just a little bit. Oh my God, I have to have a piece right away. The rest, I'm going to have it later. Voila! It's ready. So gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yummy. Can't wait to eat it. Here it is. Okay, before I don't burn myself. Come on. Look at the bottom. Yummy! Yes, and later on the hair fryer is going to be even better, but I can't resist. I got to have some. Don't forget to subscribe to Nonna Maria at Nonna Maria 1433. Ciao!